Executive Secretary. Welcome to the session. Okay, Excellency, may I introduce to you your ACOM, Lieutenant Colonel. Excellency, if you have any questions about the Lieutenant Colonel, this is going to be. Otherwise, we welcome you to instruction. Thank you.
Guards! Thunder salute! Present! Arms! Guards! Soldier! Arms! Guards! Order! Arms!
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mr. Manuel Pardas Romani, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Kingdom of Spain to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to address you a letter of credit sent by His Majesty the King of Spain and addressed to you, appointing me as Ambassador Extraordinary of Plenipotentiary to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I am very pleased to receive your credentials and welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and successful life. Please convey to His Majesty the King, the government and the people of Spain, our warmest wishes for your continued well-being, peace. That's the congratulations. Welcome to Fiji. With Spanish, you might say good morning. Anyway, good to see you, sir.
Excellencies, if I may.
No way.